Think you're buying a smart car in 2026? Think again. Millions of buyers are about to make the same mistake, and most won't even realize it until it's too late. It's not that the cars are bad, but flashy features, brand names, and hype are misleading you. Depreciation, surprise repair bills, insurance spikes. The truth is shocking. Some cars you trust the most? Financial traps. Some overlooked? Hidden gems. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which SUVs are worth your money and which will quietly destroy your finances. #1 Mazda CX-70, the quiet performer. Most buyers think there's a trade-off: settle for average or overspend on luxury. The CX-70 quietly breaks that rule. Interior feels premium, soft touch materials, intuitive controls, thoughtful design. Smooth, quiet ride, absorbs bumps effortlessly, perfect for daily commutes or long road trips. Financially smart, lower depreciation, predictable insurance, and easy maintenance. Unlike flashy luxury SUVs, the CX-70 doesn't drain your wallet once the warranty ends. Years later, it still holds value. Many luxury SUVs fall apart financially in 3-5 years, but the CX-70 ages gracefully, making it a long-term investment. It's not just money, it's comfort. Ergonomic seating, intuitive infotainment, and a premium feel without the premium headaches. Families, professionals, or anyone who commutes daily and values style plus reliability plus financial sense. #2 or Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid, Smart City SUV. Here's a curveball: bigger isn't always better. The Corolla Cross Hybrid proves that a compact SUV can save big money without sacrificing practicality. Hybrid engine cuts fuel bills dramatically, saving thousands over a few years. Lower insurance, predictable maintenance, and reliable performance. Nimble in city traffic, smooth acceleration, easy parking. Perfect for urban living. Unlike other SUVs chasing massive screens, big engines, or flashy styling, the Corolla Cross Hybrid quietly keeps running, requiring fewer repairs and costing less to insure. Practical, compact, and financially sensible. A vehicle designed for the long game. #3 Toyota RAV4, the dependable everyday SUV. Some SUVs excite for a week, then drain your wallet for years. The RAV4 wins quietly, consistently. Reliable, day in and day out, with no surprises. Slower depreciation and hybrid fuel savings. Practical interior, supportive seats, intuitive infotainment. Versatile, city commutes, groceries, weekend road trips. Adapts to real-life needs. The RAV4 proves patience plus proven engineering beats short-lived hype. Advanced safety features add peace of mind, making it a practical, dependable SUV. Families, couples, solo drivers, anyone looking for predictability plus low stress. #4 or Subaru Outback, the adventure SUV. Trends fade. The Outback endures. Standard all-wheel drive, proven longevity, solid resale value, fewer unexpected repairs, predictable insurance, durable construction. Comfortable, spacious interior with clever storage and flexible cargo space. It doesn't chase attention, it earns loyalty. Perfect for snow, rain, or rough terrain, the Outback delivers peace of mind and functional comfort. Buyers who value safety, reliability, and long-term stability. #5 Lexus NX Hybrid, luxury that lasts. The NX Hybrid combines luxury with financial sense. Smooth, quiet, efficient, leveraging Toyota's hybrid tech. Predictable maintenance, manageable insurance, less depreciation than other luxury SUVs. High-quality interior, intuitive controls, practical cargo. Advanced safety features standard. It's a luxury SUV that fits your life instead of demanding it. Refined, efficient, and durable, rewarding patience and smart choices. Professionals, small families, or anyone seeking long-term luxury without hidden costs. #6 Honda Key RV Hybrid, understated winner. Oversized SUVs may impress until costs hit. The Carve Hybrid quietly wins where it counts. Low fuel spend, dependable reliability, strong resale. Straightforward maintenance, predictable insurance. Spacious, comfortable cabin with intuitive controls. Advanced safety features without complexity. It's a vehicle that rewards patience and smart ownership, proving that reliable, understated choices outperform flashy extras. Daily commuters, families, and value-focused buyers. Understand you and focused buyers. The hard truth about buying cars in 2026. Drive off the lot, and everything changes. The smell fades, ads fade, and the reality of depreciation, insurance, and maintenance hits. The smartest choices aren't flashy. They're reliable, practical, financially sound. The SUVs that fit this bill: CX-70, Corolla Cross Hybrid, RAV4, Outback NX Hybrid, Carve Hybrid. Forget hype, forget vanity, focus on longevity, predictable costs, peace of mind. Practicality beats flash, consistency beats gimmicks, reliability pays dividends. So, tell me, if you had to spend your money today, which SUV would you pick? Drop your choice in the comments, and remember, buying wrong is expensive, buying smart pays off for years.